Imagine baking a cake. You could just mix everything, bake it, and hope for the best, then taste it at the end to see if it's any good. That's how medicines used to be made. Manufacture a batch, test it at the end, and hope it passed. If it failed, millions of dollars were lost. And worse, a bad batch could slip through and harm patients. This old method was reactive, catching mistakes after they happened. Now, picture baking with a clear goal. A moist, perfectly sweet, 8-inch chocolate cake. You know the right flour, oven temperature, and mixing time are crucial, so you design your process to guarantee a great cake every time. This is the heart of quality by design, or QbD, a proactive, science-based approach to making medicines. QbD means building quality into a product from the very first step, not just testing for it at the end. It starts with the end in mind, a safe, effective medicine for the patient. Instead of relying on final testing, QbD focuses on understanding and controlling the process so quality is predictable. Every tablet, injection, and capsule is made to the highest standard, batch after batch. This shift has transformed how medicines are made, moving from test and hope to design and know. The goal: medicines that are always safe and effective. By understanding the science, manufacturers create robust processes that handle small variations without compromising quality. In this guide, we'll break down the practical principles of QbD. Let's see how it works, why it matters, and how it's shaping the future of pharmacy and patient health. So, what is quality by design? At its core, QbD is a systematic, science-driven approach to developing new drugs. It starts with clear objectives and a deep understanding of both the product and the process. Think of it as creating a detailed blueprint for a medicine before making it, explaining not just what goes in, but how and why it works. Regulatory agencies like the FDA introduced QbD to encourage innovation and reliability in drug manufacturing. Before QbD, even small process changes required lengthy reapproval, discouraging improvements. QbD changed that. With a deep understanding of the process, companies can make improvements within a pre-approved design space. The biggest benefit? Patient safety. QbD ensures every dose is consistent and reliable. It also means fewer drug shortages, since robust processes lead to fewer batch failures. For companies, QbD brings efficiency and lower costs by reducing waste and failed batches. Ultimately, QbD moves drug development from uncertainty to control, knowing which steps matter most and monitoring them closely. This risk-based scientific approach is now the gold standard in modern drug manufacturing. It ensures quality is built into the product's DNA, not just checked at the end. That's why QbD is transforming how we make the medicines we rely on. QbD is a structured process built on key pillars. First, define the target product profile, or TPP, the wish list for the new medicine, describing what it should do and how it should work for patients. Next, identify critical quality attributes, or CQAs, the measurable properties that must be controlled to ensure safety and effectiveness. For a headache pill, CQAs might include the amount of active ingredient, tablet hardness, and how quickly it dissolves. Then, determine which parts of the manufacturing process affect these CQAs. These are the critical process parameters, or CPPs. For tablets, CPPs could be mixing speed, compression force, and drying temperature. Scientists run experiments to see how changing a CPP affects a CQA, using risk management tools like fishbone diagrams and FMEA to focus on the most critical areas. All this knowledge defines the design space, a proven range of process parameters that guarantee quality. As long as manufacturing stays within this space, the product will meet its targets. This approach creates a robust control strategy and a foundation for continuous improvement. QbD isn't just a checklist, it's a mindset of building quality from the start. By following these steps, manufacturers can deliver safe, effective medicines every time. That's the power of QbD in action. Let's see QbD in action with a real example. Developing a new pain relief tablet. The team starts with a TPP, an oral tablet, 200 milligrams of active drug, pain relief in 20 minutes, stable for 2 years, and easy to swallow. Next, they identify CQAs: drug amount, uniformity, hardness, and dissolution rate. The dissolution rate is crucial. Too slow, and it won't work fast enough. Too fast, and it could be unsafe. The team chooses direct compression as the manufacturing method and identifies 3 key CPPs: blending time, press speed, and compression force. Experiments show that blending for 10-15 minutes, compressing at 8 to 12 kilonewtons, and running the press at 2,000-3,000 tablets per minute ensures all CQAs are met. This range becomes the design space, approved by regulators. Now the team can optimize production within this space without new approvals. Real-time sensors monitor these CPPs, ensuring every tablet meets quality standards. That's how QbD builds quality into every step. QbD principles are formalized in international guidelines from the International Council for Harmonization, or ICH. 3 key guidelines, Q8, Q9, and Q10, form the backbone of QbD. ICH Q8, Pharmaceutical Development, introduces QbD and the concept of design space, guiding what information to include in drug applications. ICH Q9 covers quality risk management, providing tools like FMEA and fishbone diagrams to identify and prioritize risks. This ensures companies focus on controlling the most significant risks to drug quality. ICH Q10, Pharmaceutical Quality System, ties everything together, describing a modern quality management system for the entire product lifecycle. It integrates Q8 and Q9, promoting continuous improvement and robust quality systems. Together, these guidelines create a powerful framework for implementing QbD. They ensure a consistent supply of high-quality medicines worldwide. QbD isn't just best practice, it's a global standard. Quality by design is a fundamental shift in how we make medicines. It's not about testing for quality at the end, it's about building it in from the start. Every decision, from development to manufacturing, is made with the patient in mind. QbD leads to fewer failures, a more stable supply, and greater trust from doctors and patients. It empowers scientists to innovate and continuously improve. For students and professionals, mastering QbD is essential. It's the language of modern drug development. These principles will shape your career and the future of pharmacy. The mission is simple: improve and save lives with certainty and confidence. By embracing QbD, you're not just making better medicines, you're building a healthier future. The quality of our future depends on it.